This is Les Donovan at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus. Today in the woodworking shop, we sort of have an unusual project. My wife is a painter, and she does a great deal of paintings of still life and landscape scenes. But very often, when she gets a canvas from a canvas supplier, the canvas is not tight on the frame. And as a result of that, it's very difficult to create the painting and get it to set properly in the frame. So from time to time we have to take a canvas and we have to re-stretch it. Re-stretching the canvas entails removing the staples on 3 sides of the frame and stretching the canvas and reapplying the staples. Removing the staples can be a little difficult because they're extraordinarily firm. To remove the staple, we simply use a sharp edge tool to lift it from the frame and then pull it out with a pair of pliers. We use a sharp, in this case we're using a small, very sharp edge screwdriver to get underneath the staple to lift it. And once we lift it, we can pull it out using a pair of pliers. Once we get the canvas stretched, we just go around the outside edge and replace the staples, holding the canvas very tight as you do that. So there you have it. This is a painting in work, and in the process it was noted that the canvas was wrinkled. That usually occurs right after the first coat of paint is applied. So we've managed to salvage this particular canvas. We don't always succeed at, because sometimes the frame breaks as we attempt to re-stretch the canvas. That is all there is to re-stretch the canvas that has become wrinkled after it was manufactured. These canvases are not very expensive. Most of the canvases my wife used is manufactured in China, and therefore it does lack some quality, and that quality varies tremendously from time to time. Probably every 1 out of 10 canvases she purchases, we have to do a canvas repair before she can even use it. Following this video, you'll see some still shots of some of my wife's work. For more information on Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement projects, take a look at our website at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus.